Imagine waking up every day knowing that your bills are covered, your assets are growing, and your investments are secure. No more sleepless nights worrying about money. No more last-minute scrambling to make ends meet. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, this isn't just a fantasy. It's the power of having a cash flow system. Most people struggle financially not because they don't make money, but because they don't have a system that keeps money flowing consistently. They work hard, earn money, but still find themselves stuck in a cycle of financial stress. Why? Because they lack a structured cash flow system that funds their life, builds their wealth, and protects their future. In this video, I'm going to show you why a cash flow system is not just important, it's the key to financial freedom. And by the end of this, you'll understand why relying only on a paycheck or occasional profits is a dangerous game. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more powerful insights on financial freedom, and turn on notifications. Now let's dive in. 1. It funds your daily living expenses. A steady cash flow ensures that you can cover essential expenses such as rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, and other necessities. Without a reliable system to generate income, you may struggle to meet these basic needs, leading to financial stress. A structured cash flow system keeps money consistently flowing into your account, allowing you to focus on your goals rather than worrying about survival. 2. It will build the resources to acquire assets. Assets like real estate, stocks, businesses, or even high-income skills require capital. A strong cash flow system provides the financial foundation to save and invest in income-generating assets. Without sufficient cash flow, accumulating wealth becomes difficult, as you may constantly be in a cycle of earning and spending without any surplus to build your portfolio. 3. It helps to secure your assets and investments. Owning assets is one thing, but maintaining and protecting them is another. Properties require maintenance, businesses need reinvestment, and stocks may need additional capital to seize opportunities. With a cash flow system in place, you can cover expenses related to asset security, such as insurance, taxes, and repairs, ensuring that your investments remain intact and profitable. 4. It will help you not to eat your assets untimely. Many people fall into the trap of liquidating their assets prematurely due to a lack of cash flow. Selling properties, withdrawing from investments, or using business capital to fund personal expenses can significantly set you back. A structured cash flow system prevents this by providing regular income, reducing the temptation to sell off valuable assets just to meet immediate financial needs. 5. It will give you buoyancy to expand your assets. When you have a steady cash flow, you're in a better position to reinvest and scale your wealth. You can take calculated risks, explore new opportunities, and diversify your income streams. A person with a strong cash flow system can continuously acquire and develop assets, rather than just maintaining the ones they already have. 6. It will help you to invest without worrying. Investing comes with risks, but a solid cash flow system allows you to take these risks with confidence. When your daily needs are covered, you can invest with a long-term perspective instead of being forced to withdraw funds prematurely due to financial pressure. This enables you to hold on to investments until they mature or appreciate in value, leading to greater financial growth. Always remember the guy with cash is always a winner. If you found this valuable and you're serious about taking control of your finances, don't just watch. Take action. Hit that like button so more people can see this and start building their cash flow system. And if you want more powerful insights on financial freedom, subscribe now and turn on notifications. Because in the next videos, I'll be sharing even more strategies to help you grow, secure, and multiply your wealth. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button now.